Good morning, children. Today we are going to revise the lesson number 15, communication and mass media. Okay. So here, we watch TV programs every day on many different channels, news channels, then entertainment channels, sports channels, kids channel, discovery channel. So these programs come from the information exchanged by artificial satellites. Okay, we know artificial satellites. Artificial satellites are launched into the space by means of rockets, and they are useful for communication. So we watch TV, we communicate with each other with the help of mobiles, laptops, or internet. We talk with each other, so that programs that come from the information exchanged by the artificial satellites. Okay, we talk to each other on our mobile phones. The information exchanged by artificial satellites makes communication on a mobile phone possible. Okay, so there are various communication and artificial satellites. So which are they? See here, the exchange of information is called communication. मतलब हम जब इंफॉर्मेशन एक्सचेंज करते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ, वी कम्युनिकेट, एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड कम्युनिकेशन. मीन्स वी डिस्कस द इंफॉर्मेशन, वी एक्सचेंज द इंफॉर्मेशन, इज कॉल्ड कम्युनिकेशन. Then information broadcast is also part of communication. Artificial satellites are used in modern methods of communication. So abhi ki jo modern methods hai, instantly we watch the live match on the TV, internet, mobile. So it's a modern communication methods. With artificial satellites, the signals are delivered quickly from one point to another point. Instant information we get कि अभी क्या चालू है, लाइव मैच भी हम लोग टीवी पे देख सकते हैं through communication satellites. We can see programs on television, we can listen to programs on radio, or can talk to each other on telephones by means of communication satellites. Okay, so then INSAT, INSAT, INSAT in India. Artificial satellites are used for communication in India. Which satellite? INSAT. It's a communication satellite. These artificial satellites are called the Indian National Satellite. INSAT means Indian National Satellite, that is INSAT. Okay, it's a communication satellite. So here, then communications of emotion by face and gesture. Face gesture, do you know? You see on the WhatsApp emojis आप send करते हो, देखो ये जो emojis होते हैं, smileys and the nervousness face. So these are the gestures or the emojis. Okay, these emojis we sent on the mobile phones to express our thoughts. Okay, so these we can express or communicate. हम स्माइली भेजा तो हमें पता चलता है कि कोई हंस रहा है ना. नर्वस वाला इमोजी भेजा तो बोला है कि नर्वस है. So we can express some of our emotions by face. We can understand a person's feeling such as joy, sad, anger, fear, etc. by looking at the expressions on their face. So these are the facial expressions and the gestures we know through communication of emotions. Okay, children. Then next thing is the advantages of mass media. What are the advantages of mass media? Why that mass media is useful? Advantages of telecommunication and mass media. So the advantages of mass media are we can contact people far away from us. हम लोग एक दूसरे के साथ contact कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे हम लोग अभी we are in India, but our friend or our some relative which are present in the abroad or foreign countries, so we can communicate with them. Then the time and effort spent in exchanging information can be saved. पहले के जमाने में हम लोग क्या करते थे, लेटर भेजते थे. वो लेटर पहुंचने के लिए 10-15 दिन 1 महीना लगता था. बट वी कैन सेव अवर टाइम एंड एफर्ट्स or spent in exchanging information can be saved. Okay, in this way. Then awareness about many issues can be raised. Then people can be forward about natural disaster also. Then information about good things happening in the society can be spread. By mass media, the government schemes launched for the benefits of people can be implemented successfully. So we know about the government schemes instantly. By mass media, the awareness can be raised about matters related to food, clothes, shelter, education, and health also. Mass media can be used for expanding trade and industry. So this is a very much important thing, advantages of mass media. Okay. Related to mass media, some disadvantages are also found. So the disadvantage of mass media are excessive use of the television, computers, or mobile phones caused physical and psychological disorder. Nowadays, you all know we are communicate with each other with the telephones. WhatsApp पे हम लोग chatting करते हैं, है ना. अब बच्चे भी देखो कि स्कूल भी ऑनलाइन शुरू है, उसके लिए भी हम लोग मोबाइल फोन्स. It is harmful for the people or children. So that is the disadvantage. So mobile phones cause the physical and psychological disorders. Then some people misuse the information received from the media and disturb the peace and order in the society. कोई लोग देखो कि उसका misuse भी करते. Then time spent on watching television leads to the negligence of physical fitness. भी देखो बच्चे देखो दिन भर टीवी के सामने बैठे रहते, उससे एक्सरसाइज नहीं होती है, खेलने नहीं जाते बाहर, उनकी फिजिकल और मेंटल हेल्थ पे भी उसका प्रॉब्लम आता है. So these are the disadvantage. This adversely affect the physical and psychological health of the children and people also. So this is आंखों पे फर्क पड़ता है उससे, टीवी देखने से उनका जो है कि रीडिंग हैबिट्स नहीं डेवलप होती बच्चों में. So these are the some disadvantages of communication and mass media. Okay, then sensible use of telecommunication devices. So there are many disadvantages of mass media. Therefore, telecommunication devices should be used properly and sensibly. We must be careful not to use them excessively. So we have to control. So telecommunication device should be used properly and sensibly. We must be careful not to use them excessively. So it is in our hand. Do you know audio visual communication? Audio visual communication means we cannot see each other when we talk on the telephone, but new communication technology has now made this possible on mobile phone to see the person we are talking to. अभी देखो पहले के जमाने में हम लोग सिर्फ फोन करते थे, so फोन पे हम लोग सिर्फ बात ही करते थे, but nowadays we use video calls, video conferencing. जो मीटिंग्स होती है, जूम मीटिंग, वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग से हम लोग एक साथ सारे लोग अटैच हो सकते हैं, 80-90 लोग एक साथ उनकी मीटिंग हो सकती है. ऑफिशियल यूज के लिए भी अच्छा है ये. Nowadays we use ऑडियो विजुअल कम्युनिकेशन, हम लोग सुन भी सकते हैं और देख भी सकते हैं. आप वीडियो कॉल करते हो, व्हाट्सएप कॉल करते हो, सो दैट इज वेरी बेनिफिशियल. देन Okay, children. Now let's discuss some question answers of this lesson. So you know the name the following. So every time I ask an exam, means of communication. Which are the means of communication? One is the television, radio, newspaper, internet, mobile phones. These are means of communication. Then natural calamities. Natural calamities are storms, then tsunamis, floods, cloud bursts, earthquakes, volcanoes. These are natural calamities or natural disasters. Then emotions expressed by face. What are the types of facial expressions? So कौन से होते हैं? एक तो joy होता है, then sadness, sad, anger wala emoji, fear wala emoji, crying wala emoji. So these are some facial expressions or emotions expressed by the face. Okay, so this is about the, then match the columns. You know the television is audio visual communication. Television kya hai? Audio video communication, means we can see and we can hear the sound. Then cricket, it's outdoor sports. Fear, it's a emotion. Then the question is, what is communication? Question is, what is communication? Communication means the exchange of information is called communication. The exchange of information is called communication. Then next, by which means are the artificial satellites launched into space? The artificial satellites are launched into space by means of rockets. Okay, rocket is used to launch the artificial satellites. Then next question, which satellite are used in India for communication? That is, answer is Indian National Satellite, means INSAT, INSAT, are used in India for communication. Indian National Satellite, INSAT. Then, which types of disorders are caused due to the excessive use of mass media? Which types of disorders are caused due to the excessive use of mass media? So disorders of eyes, ears and back, and psychological disorders are caused due to excessive use of mass media. It's a disadvantage. Okay. Then what do we save on by using the modern means of communication? So we save on our time and efforts by using the modern means of communication. Okay. Then next question, which matters can be raised by mass media to create awareness amongst people? The matters related to food, clothes, shelter, education and health can be raised by mass media to create awareness amongst people. Then how were messages communicated before we began to use the telephone? So what we used in olden days, so messages were communicated with the help of letters and telegrams before we began to use the telephone. Understood? Then for what purpose is information used? So information is used for constructing knowledge. So to gain a knowledge, to construct a knowledge, information is used. So this is about the question answers in one sentence each. Now answer the following questions in brief. So write down the educational uses of mass media. Write down educational uses of mass media. Why the mass media is used in education system? What is the use? So the programs telecast on television and radio spread information related to agriculture, trade, commerce, sports, literature, tourism, environment, etc. Then this information helps in detailed study of variety of topics. है ना, उसके लिए हमें हर अलग अलग टॉपिक्स के ऊपर इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है मास मीडिया से. कंप्यूटर एंड इंटरनेट not easily provide audio visual information about many issues related to education. अगर हमें कोई इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए तो हम लोग गूगल पे सर्च करते हैं ना. सो गूगल गिव्स अस each and every type of information. Then radio and newspapers help in spreading educational information even in the remote region of the country. So newspaper सब जगह जाता है, भले इंटरनेट सब जगह काम नहीं आता, पर newspaper and radio also gives us information about weather, information about natural disaster, information about education system. क्या क्या है, हमें न्यूज़पेपर में भी आप देखो रोज एडवर्टाइज आती है, रोज अलग अलग कोर्सेज की इंफॉर्मेशन हमें मिलती है ना. सो दिस इज द एजुकेशनल यूजेस ऑफ मास मीडिया. सो यू कैन राइट विथ योर, अपने मन से भी आप आंसर लिख सकते हो इसका. देन व्हाट आर द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ मास मीडिया एज आई वी डिस्कस अर्लियर. सो एडवांटेजेस ऑफ मास मीडिया, एक तो क्या होता है, वी कैन इजीली कॉन्टेक्ट पीपल फार अवे फ्रॉम अस. बाय यूजिंग मास मीडिया द टाइम एंड एफर्ट्स spent in exchanging information can be saved. Okay, mass media helps to raise awareness about issues such as environmental balance, gender equality and cleanliness also. Then by using mass media, people can be forewarned about natural disasters like storms, tsunami, flood, etc. Mass media builds awareness about health, educational facilities, good things happening in society, etc. Mass media, the awareness can be raised about matters related to food, clothes, shelter, education and health. This helps in improving the people's way of life. So mass media help in expansion of trade and industry. It is a great use. And you know the disadvantages also. Okay, then next question arises. Write a short note on, first is the newspaper. Yes, newspaper is very much important. Every morning we read newspaper. So newspaper is one of the cheapest means of communication. सबसे सस्ता है, 5-6 रुपए में न्यूज़पेपर रोज हमारे घर में आता है. So it also develops the reading habits among people. Then it's the cheapest means of communication. Newspaper are easily available in cities and villages. Okay, whenever we want to read it, we can open and we read it. इसको हमको कोई जरूरत नहीं होती इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की. कभी भी अगर हमें कहीं पे भी उसको हम लोग कैरी कर सकते हैं अपने साथ, और कहीं पे भी उसको हम लोग रीड कर सकते हैं. We can obtain education, political, geographical, social, cultural, economical, medicinal, historical information from the newspaper. अपने मन से ये आंसर आपको लिखना है. Newspaper make readers aware about the social, educational, political issues also. Newspaper help in spreading information of government schemes and thus help in their successful implementation. So it's a great use of newspaper. Then INSAT, you know, it's in India, artificial satellites are used for communication. So these artificial satellites are called Indian National Satellites, that is INSAT. These artificial satellites are launched into space by means of rockets. Okay, so this is about, write short note on. Then again, telecasting programs on television and radio, उसके ऊपर भी लिख सकते हो. So this is about the lesson number 15. Then next lesson, that is the 16, water है, वो भी simple lesson है. So prepare for unit test, all the question answers of all the lessons. Okay children, so bye everyone.